You will see that it is built with 4 doors. Panchmukhi. That lingam has 5 faces. East, west, north, south. And 1 on top. So when you are about to leave, you take a look there and you will see that each direction you can stand up and worship that lingam for a different purpose. Take your blessing so that Shiva Shankar Bhagwan can bless you. Also, the top face is for the devotees to come and worship when we are not around. So indeed, this is a very sacred and special place for us to come and offer your gel and milk and the and cane juice, whatever you have, so that Bholenath can bless us. Tonight's katha is very appropriate. For us to be able to grow spiritually, financially, academically, we must be humble. If you put ego and pride in front of you or in your head, you will not go any far. Doesn't matter, jati pati kuladara maparai, dana parigana unang chaturai. It doesn't matter if you are president or friend, or you hold some big job and you dress up nice with suit and tie. Once you have humility and devotion, that is what Bhagwan recognizes. It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor, or you have plenty or nothing. Once you have that devotion, we can only have devotion if we bow down to God. I don't know how many of you go to the Haribol temple, but if you have never gone there, go. And you will see how the devotee humble themselves. Only them flags are wrong.